Okay, morning, folks. Welcome to the briefing on Tuesday the 13th. Interesting day yesterday with thunderstorms. Certain places didn't see any rain at all, and others saw huge amount of rain. Very hit and miss yesterday, and they've slowly cleared off. The low pressure and the thunderstorms just drift on off to the south, and they're over northern France at the moment. And we're just in a sort of light northerly flow, really, just today. And then they've got high pressure, which is building slowly over the course of the next couple of days. So the isobars are reasonably well spaced, which is not too strong. And you can see for Wednesday and then Thursday, the high pressure is pushing in, but we've still got weak fronts lurking around. So cloudy side of a high, really. Not going to be a classic sunny high pressure system. TAFs, well, they update automatically and they tend to change fairly regularly, but the picture we've got at the moment is all day 320 degrees, 3 knots, so light winds on the ground from the north, Farnborough becoming scattered at 1,000 feet, but between sort of 6 and 10 the visibility slowly improving, and just at the moment it's saying between 6 and 10, 4,000 meters, broken at 400 feet, which is probably what we've got out there now, but it's a steadily improving picture. They're not giving anything beyond that, really. Look at the other forecasts to get an idea of what's going to happen later in the day. Upper winds just dead northerly, 360, 10 to 15 knots to the sort of north of us and west of us. East of us, a little bit lighter, I suspect. SatPic just shows cloudy at the moment. That'll slowly burn off, and you can just sort of see from the sort of flow of the SatPic that it's coming down from the north. There are some showers in the thicker bits of cloud. Again, hit and miss, and I think that's going to be the picture today. Odd isolated showers, hit and miss in places. We'd be unlucky to actually see one here. Temperature wise, everywhere seems to be saying about the same, 21 degrees over the main part of the country here where we are, so fairly warm. And over the next couple of days it's getting warmer, 22, 23 degrees by Thursday, so it should be pleasant this week. Dew points, they're about 12 or 13 at the moment. We're going to go up a bit and they won't go down too far, so you've probably got about an 8 to 10 degree split of dew point at best today. Soundings, let's just quickly look at the 9 o'clock, which is a slow improving picture, sort of suggesting their cloud base, 1,000 to 1,500 feet by 10 o'clock. And then as the morning goes on to early afternoon, cloud base going up probably 2.5. In the afternoon, a little bit higher with 21 degree temperature, 3 to 3.5, I suspect. The actual Lark Hill ascent shows a similar picture to this, quite unstable, up to about 10,000 feet, as you can see here, and then a small shelf, a small inversion, just pinning things down a little bit, and you can see that on here. The Lark Hill, this is the cloud that's trapped in here at the moment. It will slowly burn off as the temperature goes up, and then you've got quite unstable air up here to 10 to 12,000 feet and a small inversion various places. So I can sort of see where they're getting the picture of isolated showers, because it is unstable, up to about 15,000 feet. But it'll take a little while to burn. It is a moist air mass. Look how close these lines are together. They're not well spaced apart. So you're going to get 4 to 7/8 cloud, even when it does get soarable. And that's going to vary during the day. Chances are spread out as well. And Top Meteor was suggesting the same sort of thing. Getting going late morning, that's 12 o'clock. So that's 700-800 meters, 2,000 feet. And then by sort of 2 o'clock, hopefully 1,000 meters above 3,000 feet, and then getting a little bit better in the late afternoon, 1,200-1,300 meters in here. Nice down on the south coast because of the northerly wind. Bits of spread out in places, and you can see that from their predicted cloud amounts clearing and becoming flyable mid-morning, and then spread out. These are areas of spread out here. 4 to 6/8 cumulus in other places, and that just varies during the day. So interesting day, spread out, good areas. Probably best area, I suspect, is going to be down to the south of us, along the coastal areas, because of the light northerly, you're unlikely to get sea air penetrating in. Might get some nice convergence down there. Okay, so not a bad day, folks. Getting better. Tomorrow, the colours going in the right direction. Greens appearing on the map. Again, windy northwesterly, or breezy northwesterly, I should say. And Thursday, similar sort of picture. That's actually downgraded slightly from 12 hours ago. And it's staying quite nice through the rest of the week and into the weekend. Okay, if you go flying, airspace wise, not really a lot going on. Danger area crossing service at Salisbury Plain, not available from Salisbury Ops. And the Keble temporary danger area, that's active between 10 and 5:30 this evening. Don't think anybody will probably be going that way. And parachute jumping, Burford in Oxfordshire, between 12 and 1 o'clock. That's almost smack bang in the middle of the Bryce zone. So unless you're going over the top of that, that shouldn't be an issue. And further north, we've got Sywell. Today they've got aerobatics, and there's at the 13th, it's between 11 and 11:20, and then 1 o'clock and 1:20. So 2 aerobatic sessions out of Sywell. Very little on the south coast, usual stuff right down over Dover and Folkestone with the low level temporary danger areas. But apart from that, fairly quiet. Jet movements, no, nothing today. We'll have a look at what direction we're going to go. At the moment, windsocks saying 09.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, with a northerly. I think we probably will start off on 09 and see how it works from there. Okay, folks, I think we can start getting the gliders out, and we'll see you out on the runway at some point.